Hey guys, so let's start my beautiful model with needle, thread and office pin. I use this lace as the base for this styling because I didn't want to do my usual. You guys know there's no need to see breast today, so I used the lace and I'm using my fabric, my Ankara fabric right now as the men of the dress. Before I got this fabric, I went through hell because I did not snap this lace and I did not even take a piece from the lace so that I can go to market and get the exact color I needed. And I also needed to get a material, a fabric that has pattern on it so I can cut out the pattern and do the design I wanted. I looked for it yesterday, I could not see and I had to shift my client, my model's styling to 2 o'clock because I couldn't find any of that. So let's go on a short break. Let's hear what my beautiful model has to say about my styling. Let's go.
The Ankara is covered. Yeah. So I like the hand. Oh, you're talented. This is really nice. Like, you don't need to start sewing clothes. Just do it for the occasion. After that day, you will not even want to use it again. You will not wear it again. As in you and buy expensive. God. You will not want to wear it again. After that, you've taken pictures already. You've done videos. Fine. Makes sense.
I wanted this video to be longer than this, but I'm planning to start up a tutorial on my YouTube channel where I normally do my makeup tutorial. So I'm going to be starting my styling tutorial. So guys, go subscribe to my YouTube channel and I will see you all soon. Bye guys.
You are my prayers answered.